when you get this thing out, the old one, you pull this part down, the front of the car, back of the car. So pull this out, pull this part down, move it up, pull this part down, the back part down, and it comes right out. Don't, when you remount it, don't just try to put it in normally, because it's not going to work. You might break the front part, the part that's under here. You don't want to break that. You have to get a new piece. So the way this goes back in after you reconnect the hose and all that other stuff, push forward all the way in, this part all the way in carefully, back part up, and then push back towards the back of the car, and then push the front part up, and it locks in place. And that's how you do that. Easy. Okay. Remove. And to replace. Okay. It's easy. It's locked in place now. And that's how you do that.